Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Okay, in today's video we will be looking at best PC setup for trading boom and crash for a very long time. That is what we will be looking at today. Actually, for the past few weeks I've been discussing on different PC setup, MT5 PC setup that you can use to trade boom and crash successfully and also to trade other assets. But today we'll be looking at best city setup for trading boom and crash for a very long time, and I bet it this particular PC setup I use it for a very long time, and it's gave me so many results for a very long time before coming up with other PC setup. So it is one of my best PC setup that I have ever used, and you too can try it out, and I bet it you're going to love it. Okay, but before going fully into details, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. My name is Samuel Opeola, the creator of Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there. Make sure you practice well on your demo account, and make sure you perfect your skill before you go to your real account, before you try them out on your real account. And if you have any question at all about any of my videos, or probably about my trading strategy or about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and you will also find them in the description box below this video. You can also join my Telegram channel so that you can join some of my free tools like the shares trend, the support and resistance, and the likes like that. And you can also watch some of my free video trainings that I post on my Telegram channel. Okay, you will also find the link to my Telegram channel below this video. Okay, quickly, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That will help you to benefit from some of my programs, and it will also give you an alert whenever I upload a new video. So just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, let's go straight to the dashboard to the trading platform to do some analysis on the market. So let's see what is happening in the market at the moment. So that is what we are going to be looking at right now. Presently I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis. This is how the signal indicator looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm using my signal indicator to do my analysis at the moment. You can see the blue and the yellow line. The blue signifies uptrend while the yellow line signifies downtrend. Okay, you can see that when the line is blue, the spikes are always happening around there. You can see that is what happened here, most especially if it is coming from a major support level here. You see it happening over and over on the blue line. So once it breaks it up, then that means you see it going back on downtrend. So let me explain a certain trick to you. If you want to know if it's going to go on a downtrend fully, after the series of spike, you can see this spike, it got to the line, spiked again. This also got to the line, spiked again. Actually, the line should take it back upward, okay, except if it is broken. Check out here, it got broken here, but not quite long. It spiked again because it is not, after breaking off, it didn't change from blue to yellow, so definitely it's going to spike. It spiked again, but that should prepare you for the next breakout, because once it breaks out next, then you should expect it to go for a very long time. So you check out the next breakout. It got broken out here. If it should do it, it broke out from there. If it should draw a trend line around here, you can see all you just need to do is just for it to break out from here. You can see broke out from here, and it broke out from here again, and that is where it turned into yellow line. If you should check it out, that is where you have your yellow line. It turned into yellow line, so which means it has broken out successfully. You can come in and pick up your trade. So let's do, I'm just using that to explain a bit, just for you to know the way it works, just for you to know the way it. Okay, let's see. You can see that once it turned to yellow, you can see it going down, though there is this spike coming up, but the yellow line is still there, which means it will still go down. But this time around it spiked up and it turned from yellow to blue. Sorry about that. It's turned from yellow to blue, and you can see it trying to break it out again, got broken, and you can still see that it is still down. So presently, from what I can see from the analysis on the market right now, the signal indicator is letting us know that boom 1000 is on downtrend at the moment. So it's been on downtrend for a very long time, and it's might take that turn. It might be like that for a very long time, although it is about approaching a major support level. If it gets to that level, you see it spiking up, but it is still possible for it to go down. So always do your analysis very well. But if you are having the signal indicator and you are in the market, I believe you should have milked the market. If you love selling, boom, you should have milked the market for a very long time. So let's check out boom 500. Okay, boom 500. I will be using the crusher indicator to do the analysis here. I will be using the crusher indicator to do the analysis here. You can see that around here the market has been on uptrend. It consolidated around here but came down a bit here, but it's been on uptrend. So boom 500 is majorly on uptrend compared to the downtrend. So it is favoring those that love buying the spikes. It is favoring those that love buying the spikes. For those that love selling, boom, wait for it to get to a major support level, a major resistance level. Wait for this sell signal indicator to come out, then make sure you confirm it here before you jump into the market. Okay, the histogram here should turn to red before you jump into the market. If it is not turning to red, then do not go into the market. Okay, that is for those that have swapped the color of the histogram. If you are yet to swap it, then definitely it's going to be the other way around. So you can watch my FAQ video on that so that you will know how to go about that. Let's say crash 500, crash 1000, crash 1000. I'm still using the crusher indicator. It is crashing at the moment. It is crashing at the moment. You can see the continuous crashing starting from this red arrow. It's kept on going down. Each time it is touching the PZ super trend, it is crashing. You see it crashing each time it is approaching it. So that is that. It shows that crash 1000 is on downtrend at the moment, although at the early part of this morning it's been on uptrend. Check out here, if you are using the crusher indicator, this should be your entry point and you can exit here. That is 22-minute candles. That is if you are buying crash, then this is another opportunity for you to enter here. Then I believe you should exit here, which is giving you 15-minute candles, so which is amazing. It is something you will love to do if you are using the crusher indicator. You just need to be patient enough, wait for the signal to come up and pick up your candles, exit at the next resistance level or once the exit arrow pops out. This is giving you 5-minute candles. If you should add everything together, already you will have gone more than 30 minutes opportunity. The first one gave us 20, the second one gave us 15. That is 35 plus 5, that is 40 minutes opportunities for you to milk the market successfully if you are the type that love buying. So which means with that you can easily hit your daily target. But right now it is crashing at the moment. That is why you are having red around the histogram level, and that is why it is still crashing at the moment. So let's check out crash 500. Okay, I'll be using the signal indicator for crash 500. Okay, for crash 500, it just broke out from here and you can see it's turning to blue. So it's been on uptrend. Crash 500 is presently uptrend, favoring those that loves buying crash. If you're the type that loves selling crash, please wait for it to get to the major resistance level, though it just broke one, so probably it's trying to hit another one at the top. So it's coming to this level before it will start crashing back. So make sure you do your analysis very well. Make sure, I don't know the indicator you are using, but I've used both the signal indicator and the crusher indicator to do my analysis. For those that have them, then you are good to go. If you don't have this, apply whatever rules that is attached to the indicator you are using. And if you don't have if you don't have any custom made indicator at all, you can also use your trader setup, your MT5 setup. The indicators on your MT5, you can make use of them and trade successfully. All you just need to do is just to grab a few points about how you can go about your trade today. Let it guide you into what you are going to do today. Okay, I will be stopping here with the analysis. Let's go back to today's training, which is best PC setup for trading boom and crash for a very long time. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. So let's head on to the trading platform. Okay, this is the setup we will be using, and it will explain to you, I will be using it to explain to you how you can use it to trade for a very long time. I used this setup in my last video. Can you imagine being the market from here, from this level, from here to this level? This is amazing. This is 91-minute candles. That is about 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is amazing, and it still goes on and on. So this should be giving you more than 2 hours. So that is that, and the way it went up, that is the same way it came down to. So you can achieve this if you actually know how to go about it. If you know how to go about it, you can achieve this. So I'm going to share with you a simple secret on how to go about this. But first, what are the indicators used? The white line is the moving average, EMA9. You can see the setup. This is the setup. This is EMA9. That is the white line. Then the three other lines, that is green, red and blue, are my alligator lines. Alligator usually comes with 3 lines. They are my alligator lines. So that is the setup also for that, and you combine the 4 lines together in order for you to trade successfully. If you should watch my last video very well, you will see the way I set them up, and you can follow the setup, and I did some explanation on how you can use it to trade successfully. So I'm going to brief you on what you need to know to trade it, to use this setup to trade successfully before going into what we are to do today. Okay, you only focus on the white line, which is the EMA9, and see when it's, for instance, for crash 1000 and crash 500, you check it out when it is, if you are buying it, you check it out when the white line is crossing the first line of the alligator, which is green. Once it is crossing it from below upward, that is when you enter. But if you are selling it, if you are selling crash, once it is crossing it from above downward, then that is when you sell. So for boom 1000 and boom 500, you check it out. Once the white line is crossing the green line from above, let me see if I can take it there. Okay, this is it. From above downward, that is when you come in and pick up your candles. So you can easily use this strategy to plan your trading activities daily. If you don't have the ability to purchase some of these sophisticated trading tools, you can make use of this to trade and grow your trading capital successfully. If you want to be picking 2 minute candles, you can easily do that with this. I'm going to share more light on that in my next video. So once it is crossing it from above downward, then that is when you come in and pick up your candles. But in this video, we'll be looking at how we can use it to trade for a very long time. So if you want to trade for a very long time, I'm going to let me teach you the first strategy, which is using 15-minute time frame. So I love using 15-minute time frame because it's kind of being at the middle. It's hardly change direction. If M1 and M5 are going on uptrend, and probably the one H4 and H1 are on downtrend, 15 minutes will still be in the middle, trying to take the proper decision. Trying to decide on the direction to go. But once it takes that direction, you see it going that for a very long time. You see it doing that for a very long time. So let's try and see what is happening. Okay, check out here. You can see that it's consolidated around here, but check it out here. When it's eventually crossed it upward, you can see that it went up, though there are spikes in between, but it went up and never crossed down till it tried to cross down here. So personally, I will have edged out here and pocket my profit, but check it out, it went back up again, and this is when it's finally crossed down. And check it out, once it crossed down, you see it going down. So presently, with what I'm saying here, crash 1000 is on downtrend. There is we've seen a bullish movement here, but I bet it if you should check again, you still see it going down, because it will get to this level before, if not here, but it will get to this level before it will reverse totally. So you will see it going down again. So 15 minutes, using 15-minute strategy is always unique. Once you are whenever you are trading with this strategy, you can see here also it crossed it here and you see it going back up. It happens here also, it crossed it here, but you see it going back up, going up. But before you can use this strategy, like I always tell you or always advise you in all my videos, always know the trend of the market. So you can quickly go to day one to check out what is happening in day one. In day one, what is really happening? Is it giving us a bullish candle or a bearish candle, or is it a bullish candle that is now bouncing back to a bearish candle? These are some of the things you should take note of. If you should take note of them, then you will be able to know if the decision that is being taken in our 15-minute time frame will be justified at the end of the day. So you can also check H4 to know what is happening within the last 4 hours. That will help you to know what is happening within the last 4 hours, so that you can prepare towards it. Then you can now come down to H1 also to know what is happening. You can see in H1 we've seen bearish candle. This is a bit bullish candle. So we've seen about 1 2 3 4 bearish candles, but the last one is still yet to decide fully. So which means in 15-minute time frame we are still cool with what we are having, which is bearish movement, and right now we're trying to seize a little bit of bullish movement, but we are yet to decide at the end of the day. But that will help you to know what you should look out for whenever you are trading in 15-minute time frame. So it will always help you to take a proper decision at the end of the day. So I love using 15-minute time frame using this strategy, but that is after I must have confirmed my trend. Then that is when I put into it, because 15 minutes takes time to decide on the direction to take. It takes time to decide on the direction to take, but once it takes it, then you will love it at the end of the day. So that is how you can use it to trade for a very long time. Can you imagine coming in this at this point where it broke out fully and being the market to this level? This is 1 2 3 3 candles. That is, I just counted 3 candles that is being in the market selling for 45 minutes. Selling for 45 minutes. The same thing is applicable to boom. Let's check out boom. Let's take it down to 15-minute time frame. Okay. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, it is loaded successfully. So let's see what is happening there. Okay, you can see in boom 15-minute time frame, it is just going down. So you can see it going for a while. So it means that in boom it might be selling for a while. So you can easily come in and sell for a while. So you can see after breaking out from here, it has given us full 15 minutes. So almost it has given us about 20 minutes opportunity to be in the market. So you see it selling for a very long time. It is possible for you to have spikes in between, but you're still going to have more of sell trend than buy trend. So this is amazing. So this is something you can actually use to grow your trading capital. You can plan alongside with this to see if you can grow your trading capital with it. You don't need to rush. You can go at your own pace and use it to grow your trading capital easily. Use it to grow your trading capital easily. So this is amazing. This is amazing. If you are yet to have confidence to be in the market for a very long time, you can do it gradually, probably for 3 minutes, or later on for 4 minutes, later on for 5 minutes. Later you can you will get used to it. Being in the market for 15-30 minutes. You can see this opportunity here. It crossed it downward, and check it out, it got to this level before going back up. So this is amazing. This is how sweet this indicators are. So you can use them easily to grow your trading capital. So I'll be stopping here for now. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola. God bless you.